Maybe you're wondering, what is a fabricated source? What does that exactly mean? Or why is my professor, my instructor, making such a big deal out of an error on my assignment in the references or the citation? What is going on? Well, if you've wondered that, then you are in the right place. This video today is going to go over what exactly is a fabricated source, why is it important to understand this, how do I cite better, and how to use correct sources. So you'll find out that even in our culture, we have a big thing, at least right now at this point. I think it's been for a few years, this thing called fake news and deciphering what is the truth and what isn't, and using different research articles for different topics as the support for making major decisions. Within culture, that is important, but it also starts in academia because really the papers that we write, the things that we do, it has to stand the test of time. It has to be something that is truthful and is solid and has done the research. So it's really important when you are doing these assignments that you use scholarly resources and that you don't use fabricated sources. So what do I mean by fabricated sources? In GCU's academic integrity, and it is a violation of our policy. So as far as GCU is concerned, because I teach full-time with Grand Canyon University, I'm going to use this as an example of a breach of academic integrity. It's listed as the second one, fabricated or inventing information. It applies to an academic exercise or university investigation. So what this means is you have breached academic integrity in some way. Now, does that mean I'm questioning your integrity on this? No, it could have happened unintentionally. This could be something you didn't mean to do. You used some source, the link was broken, or you did make a mistake in citing it. So part of an instructor or professor's role is to help you figure out how to do something better and how to figure out what is going on so you don't continue that again. All right, here are some examples of fabricated sources. First of all, especially in this is Christian worldview because I teach predominantly Christian worldview, we have the date of the assignment. That will show me that it is fabricated because this is the incorrect date of publication. This tells me there's something wrong here. You did not get the correct citation, the correct year. Where did you get this from? It's not listed correctly. Something is off here. So when I see this 2020, it makes me question, or 2014, 2015, it makes me question, where is this coming from? Because that is not the correct date of publication. So you can look at date of publication. The same thing happened here. 2013 is not the correct date. Often these will be generated on some kind of citation generator, and that's why we encourage you not to use citation generators and to actually learn how to make the references for yourself. It's better to do that than rely on other places to create your own references and citations. So this one was given to me. Both of these are probably fabricated sources because one, the date is off. This was not one of the choices in our material, in our assignment. So you have to look at the assignment instructions to know what resources to use as well. This one here, you can't really see it, but when I clicked on the link, it said source equals chatgpt.com. It was retrieved from ChatGPT. Okay, that is considered a fabricated source. If the link doesn't work, if the link is broken, this is another one. A link was broken here. I could not access it. That's considered a fabricated source. This might be, some of this might be correct. It might not be correct. This one, Cliff Notes, 2024 ResearchGate, the Gospel Essential Benchmark, those are examples of sources that are not correct, that they are somebody else's essay, someone else's assignment that was posted online. This one here, this is not the correct date. This is not the correct place where you can access the article. Those are some ideas where we get these fabricated sources. This is why I mention in my class to stay away from Google, to stay away from AI, because there are such things called hallucinations, and I give you every single way that I can think of to help you know how to correctly cite your sources. I list them. I have a cheat sheet PDF. That's what I call it. The very beginning of class, I put it in the critical things to do the first week of CWV announcement. I put it in the class resources. I put it in topic fives, topic resources. I attach it to the comments from the assignments. If you look in your assignment after I've graded it, I will normally attach a file, either a screenshot of a part of that PDF where specifically you need strengthening. And I also give you the PDF on the help aid template itself. So every week you get a help aid template. You can access that from the Padlet map, from the topic resources. There are specific examples of how to cite your sources in those templates. I want you to be able to write and to respond to the questions without worrying about, am I doing this wrong? Am I doing this right? Is this a fabricated source or not? So if you're using the textbook, the topic overview, the course materials that we're asking you to use, and then you are responding to the question in the assignment in the template itself, I have examples for you. Just look through it and choose the one that you're using and integrate that into your content where you got it from, the idea that you're talking about. Okay, on the Padlet map as well, I have extensive YouTube videos of how to cite each one of the main things that you're using: the Bible, the topic overviews, the textbook chapters. How do you cite those? How do you reference those? How do you use them in your content? I give you examples of that. Also, week to week on your video tutorial, you have an example there, and I go over that with you. Okay, I want to make sure that you are able to do your research without worrying about formatting. And if you have a question, you can come to me. I want you to know how to process the material. The research for this class, we generally give you very specific, very specific tools. The library is one of those. And ChatGPT is not the other. The tools of research, the library is one of them, and then the Halo Learn is the other. So the library research versus ChatGPT, integrating them. It is important to note that you cannot use ChatGPT in this class because of all of the hallucinations, all of the false material that it's giving you, the perspective that it's skewing for this particular course. So I want to make sure that you note that Grammarly is also AI. Google, they create hallucinations and bad references. So when you are doing your research, there are two, maybe three different sources that I want you to use. The GCU library. If you don't know how to use the library, take the CWV webinar. The Halo resources. And third, your professor. Ask your professor. I am here to help you. This is what I do. I love helping you. If you have a question, reach out to me. I will answer as quickly as I can. Um, yeah. And if you have a question about formatting, I'm happy to give you the right format, to share with you what to use, how to use it, to go over it with you, to make a phone call with you, set up an appointment, Zoom, whatever you need to help you be successful. If you want to contact me, feel free to contact me. This is my number. This is, you can get me via messages, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.